Okay, so in terms of hydrogen and oxygen, what is oxidation? In terms of hydrogen and oxygen, what is oxidation? Anyone?
Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen.
Very good. It is addition of oxygen. Okay, or there can be removal of hydrogen. These are the simple definitions. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Similarly, यहाँ पे it will be reverse reduction, यानी क्या होगा? इधर addition of oxygen था, this will be what? Addition of hydrogen. See, this will be addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Okay, so this is in terms of oxidation and in terms of hydrogen and oxygen. Now, second one, in terms of electrons. In terms of electrons, anybody? What is oxidation? Loss ki gain, loss of electron or gain of electron?
Loss of electrons.
Yes, it is loss of electron. So loss of electron is oxidation, and here gain of electrons is reduction. Okay, so loss of electron means what? How will you come to know from the reaction? It will be increase in oxidation number. Okay, so we will be seeing what is that oxidation number and all. So if you observe increase in oxidation number, then it is oxidation, and here it will be decrease in oxidation number. So decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Okay, simple example, Mg getting converted to Mg2 plus. Okay, now here oxidation number of oxygen is 0, and in this case it is +2. Okay, this case it is +2. तो ये 0 से इसका कैसे 0 है, that we will learn in rules. इसके बाद rules आएंगे तो वहां पे मैं आपको बताऊंगी. But as of yes, किसी ने कुछ कहा?
No,
Anybody wants to ask anything?
कुछ पूछना था?
Yes or no? किसी का तो आवाज सुनाई दिया. Yes or no? कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
बच्चों प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड ना, बोलो यस कि नो.
No.
दो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो तब समझ में
No,
आएगा.
ma'am.
नो ना. सी हियर. So here, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था, increase in oxidation number. So as you can see here, Mg is getting converted from 0 to +2. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? 0 to +2, मतलब there is increase in oxidation number. Okay, oxidate ये जो number है वो increase हुआ. So this is oxidation. Okay. Similarly, यहाँ पे देखो example, Cl2 getting converted to Cl minus. तो Cl2 के केस में it is 0 and here it is -1. Okay, so what you can observe here, increase or decrease? There is decrease in oxidation number. Okay, so understood this one? This is the beginning part about what is oxidation and what is reduction. So in terms of hydrogen and oxygen, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is oxidation, and in terms of electron, loss of electron or loss of electron, that is increase in oxidation number, is oxidation. Gain of electron, here in this case, reduction ke case mein gain of electron, that is decrease in oxidation number, is known as reduction. Okay, and in terms of hydrogen and oxygen, addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Clear till here? Definition is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Now, moving further, the next part is what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent, which is also known as oxidant. Okay, which is also known as oxidant. Now, what is this oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent are the species which oxidizes other compound or other species, I can say, but itself undergo reduction. Okay, so the substance which oxidizes other species but itself undergoing reduction is known as oxidizing agent or it is known as oxidant. Okay, दूसरे को oxidize करेगा but खुद reduce हो जाएगा, so that is oxidizing agent. And in terms of this, what will be reducing agent? ये क्या रहेगा फिर? Reducing agent or it is known as reductant. So ये जैसे oxidant means it oxidizes other species. So in this case, reducing agent, it reduces other species. Okay, it reduces other species, but itself undergo oxidation. Okay, so that is known as reducing agent or reductant. Okay, so don't get confusion with the definition oxidation and oxidizing agent. Oxidation means increase, that is loss of electron or increase in oxidation number. And when you talk about oxidizing agent, मतलब जो compound खुद reduce हो रहा है, that is known as oxidizing agent. Okay, and similarly for reducing agent or reductant. Definitions clear? After this, we will be moving on to the main part of the topic. Definitions are clear?
Yes.
Okay, so just give a heading as redox reaction. New chapter. Write it in a new page. Don't mix it with the previous topic. एकदम नए page में लिखना. Redox reaction. A reaction in which simultaneous oxidation and reduction takes place is known as redox reaction. Is known as redox reaction. Under that, oxidation. Right? Under that, under oxidation, you write addition of oxygen. Okay, you can write first point as addition of oxygen. Second, removal of hydrogen. Then next, loss of electron. Then next, similarly for reduction, you write reduction. Addition of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen. removal of oxygen, then gain of electrons, gain of electrons. The next definition, next one, oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent. Or in bracket, oxidant. Other name is oxidant. Under that, substance, substance which itself undergoes, which itself undergoes reduction, itself undergoes reduction, but causes oxidation of another species, oxidation of another species is called oxidant. Write a note below that. Highlighted statement likhna. Oxidant is an electron acceptor. Highlight the statement. Electron acceptor. Next definition. Reducing agent or reductant. Reducing agent or reductant. Substance which itself undergoes oxidation and brings about reduction of another species, is called reducing agent or reductant. Note लिखना नीचे. They are electron donors. They are electron donors. Then next you write oxidation number. Oxidation number. Right. It is defined as the number of electrical charges. It is defined as the number of electrical charges an element carries. Electrical charges an element carries. Okay, now put your pens down and listen here. I'm going to explain all the rules of finding an oxidation number. So everybody concentrate here. Rules for assigning oxidation number. So rule number 1. Okay, so very important. Just listen to all the rules. Okay, now first one, rule number 1, oxidation number. Okay, oxidation number of an element in its free state. Okay, in its free state will be equal to 0. Now what do you mean by free state? Free state का मतलब क्या है? Anyone? Free state means what?
0.
Free state means its actual state. For example, if I say H2, H2 is the actual state ना, वो generally कैसे exist होता है, stable form में कैसे exist होता है, this one H2, तो H2 0 दिया, तो it will be 0. If I mention any element in its free state, अगर सिर्फ sodium दिया, तो it will be 0. Okay, if I mention only zinc, then it will be 0. या फिर मैंने क्लोरीन गैस दे दिया, it will be 0. Okay, so oxidation state of any element in its free state, yani actual state, will be equal to 0. Okay, this is rule number 1. Understood everybody? Rule number 1 समझ में आया? Oxidation number of any element in its free state will be equal to 0. Okay, so that is rule number 1. Now listen. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Oxidation number of a monoatomic ion. Oxidation number of monoatomic ion will be equal to its charge. Okay, oxidation number of monoatomic ion will be equal to its charge. What do you mean by monoatomic ion? Any element carrying any charge, जैसे Cl minus. So if it is Cl minus, oxidation number is -1. If I give Mg2 plus, then यहाँ पे oxidation number will be +2. Okay, in this case oxidation number is +2. Then if I mention S2 minus, then oxidation number of this S is how much? -2. Understood? Understood this one, rule number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, rule number 3. Rule number 3. Oxidation state of oxygen. Okay, general oxidation state of oxygen is -2 in all its compound. Most of the compound mein oxidation state of oxygen will be -2. Okay, but there are exceptions. Like in case of peroxide, it will be always -1. Okay, so when oxygen is in the form of peroxide, there it will be -1. Okay, but if oxygen combines with fluorine, okay, if oxygen combines with fluorine, then in that case oxygen will show positive oxidation state. Okay, now why oxygen in this case is showing positive oxidation state, that we will learn in rule number 5. Okay, so general oxidation state of oxygen is -2. In case of peroxide, it will be -1. But when oxygen combines with fluorine, there it will show positive oxidation state. Okay, positive यानी क्या है वो भी देखेंगे. Then rule number 4. Rule number 4. It's related to hydrogen. Hydrogen shows 2 oxidation number. One is +1 and -1. Okay, when hydrogen combines with any non-metal, अगर hydrogen कोई non-metal के साथ combine है, there it will show +1 oxidation state, and if hydrogen combines with metal, hydrogen will show negative oxidation state. Okay, for example, first HCl. Now when you look at this example, यहाँ पे Cl क्या है? Metal, non-metal?
Non-metal.
Non-metal, right? Here Cl is non-metal. So in this case, what will be the oxidation state of hydrogen? Hydrogen
+1.
के साथ combine हुआ, then it is +1. And second, if it is NaH, what is the nature of Na?
Metal.
Metal.
So in this case, what will be the oxidation state of hydrogen?
Minus
-1.
Okay, so hydrogen shows two oxidation state. It is +1 and -1. +1 when hydrogen combines with non-metal, and -1 when hydrogen combines with metal. Okay, this is rule number 4. Now, rule number 5. Rule 5 is for halogens. Okay, rule 5 is for halogen. Generally, halogens. Halogen क्या है? F, Cl, Br, I. These are the common halogen. Generally, oxidation state of halogen is -1. Okay, generally, oxidation state of halogen is -1, where F will always show -1. Okay, F will always shows -1, but other halogens, okay, yani Cl, Br, I can show other oxidation state as well. Okay, but अभी देखो, अभी if oxygen combines with fluorine, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था, ऑक्सीजन अगर फ्लोरीन के साथ है तो ऑक्सीजन का पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होता है. तो इन दिस कंपाउंड, जैसे आप देख रहे हो, ऑक्सीजन का यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का हम फाइंड करेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे व्हाट डिड आई टेल, फ्लोरीन विल शो ऑलवेज -1. बाकी हैलोजेंस के ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर चेंज हो सकते हैं, बट फ्लोरीन हैज अ फिक्स्ड ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, दैट इज -1. तो इधर अगर देखा जाए 1 into x प्लस 2 into, इसका अगर मैंने अप्लाई किया -1, देन x -2 विल बी इक्वल टू 0. बराबर, x -2 will be equal to 0. So in this case, x will be equal to how much? X will be equal to how much? +2. So यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट दिखा रहा है. Okay, general oxidation state of halogen is always -1, where F will be always -1, but other halogens has tendency to show other oxidation state also. Okay, this is rule number 5. Okay, now rule number 6. Next rule number 6. Okay, अभी हमने पहले free state देखा, then we saw for monoatomic ion, then for oxygen, hydrogen and halogen. Okay, now algebraic sum. Okay, algebraic sum of oxidation number of neutral molecule. Okay, sum of oxidation number of neutral molecule is equal to 0. Now what does this mean? Okay, अगर कोई neutral molecule दिया, for example, if I give you NaCl, okay, it is a neutral molecule. मतलब क्या, इसके ऊपर कोई charges नहीं है. Okay, जो compound मुझे दिया गया है उसके ऊपर कोई charges नहीं है, मतलब the molecule which is given to me is a neutral molecule. Okay, so sum of oxidation number, okay, sum of oxidation number of all elements in a neutral molecule will be equal to 0. Yani what? How many Na is here in this compound? How many Na you can see?
1.
1.
Cl
1.
1. So ये क्या होगा? 1 into oxidation state of Na plus 1 into oxidation state of Cl is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Now at the same time, rule number 7 क्या बताता है? It is for polyatomic ion. Okay, polyatomic ion is equal to charge बोला गया है. Okay, it is equal to charge. For example, देखना, Cr2O7 2 minus. Now this is a polyatomic ion. Okay, तो इसका क्या होगा? Which will be equal to charge. So here 2 into oxidation state of chromium plus 7 into oxidation state of oxygen will be equal to what? This charge minus 2. Understood the meaning of these two rules? Sum of oxidation number of neutral molecule is 0 and sum of oxidation number of polyatomic ion will be equal to its charge. Clear? इतना समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the rules. Okay, rules to assign oxidation number. Okay, now so again I'll repeat, just listen carefully. Oxidation rule number 1 is oxidation number of any element in free state is equal to 0. Okay, then oxidation number of monoatomic ion will be equal to its charge. Okay, monoatomic ion, if it carries any charge, then it will be equal to its charge. Then rule number 3, oxidation number of oxygen is -2 in most of its compound. But अगर compound peroxide है मेरा तो वहां पे it will be -1 and if oxygen is combined to fluorine then it will show positive oxidation state. Okay, then rule number 4, hydrogen shows two types of oxidation number, +1 and -1. When hydrogen is combined with non-metal, there it will show +1 and when hydrogen combines with metal, there it will show -1. So looking at the compound, you will come to know. Then rule number 5, oxidation number of halogen. Okay, general oxidation number of halogen is -1, where fluorine will be always -1. Other halogen can show other oxidation state as well. -1 के अलावा दूसरे भी oxidation state दिखा सकता है. Positive में भी हो सकता है, it can be. Then algebraic sum of all the element in a neutral molecule will be equal to 0 and polyatomic ion, oxidation number of a polyatomic ion will be equal to its charge. Okay, now apart from this, you should know that metals always show positive oxidation state. Okay, metals का हमेशा positive oxidation state होगा. Non-metals can show, okay, non-metals can show negative, positive. Okay, negative में भी होगा, positive में भी होगा. Okay, and metals अगर free state में, metal या non-metal free state में है तो that has to be 0. हाँ, rule number 1 के हिसाब से. Then apart from this, oxidation state can be positive, negative, it can be in fraction also. Okay, it can be in fraction also. Okay, so this one. Then alkali metals. कौन है alkali metals? Which group are alkali metals?
Group 1.
Group 1.
Okay, यानी lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium will always have oxidation state +1. उनका fixed है. Okay, will always have oxidation state +1. Similarly, alkaline earth metals. यानी which group?
Group 2.
Group 2. Alkaline earth metals like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium will always show oxidation state as +2. Okay, so these are some general things which you should remember. Metals का हमेशा positive oxidation, non-metals can show negative, positive. Okay, then oxidation state can be positive, negative, fraction में भी हो सकता है. Alkali metals will have oxidation state as +1. Alkaline earth metals will have oxidation state as +2. Okay, and there are some combined species. Just if OH is given, OH का oxidation state -1 है. If it is PO4, then it is -3. Simple carbonyl group, it is not cobalt, CO, carbonyl group दिया, so it will be 0. CN दे दिया, it will be -1. ओके, कुछ चीजों के जैसे सल्फेट आयन SO4 2 माइनस है तो उसका चार्ज इज -2. ओके, रूल्स आर क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes.
एवरीबडी क्लियर? रूल्स सबको क्लियर हो गया?
Yes.
You can just do one thing. You can take screenshot quickly because rules are given in the textbook. Okay, textbook mein I'll tell you the page number 83. Okay, page number 83 mein they have given the rules, so this you can just take screenshot. Okay, ये चीजें नोट अच्छे से नोट कर लेना. Now based on this we will be solving questions. Done? हो गया? सबने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया?
Yes.
Okay. Now questions लिखना. Assign oxidation number. Assign oxidation number to each element. Assign oxidation number to each element in the following compound. In the following compound. Okay. First example. K2Cr2O7. Which compound is this? Any idea? K2Cr2O7.
Potassium chromate.
Potassium dichromate.
Dichromate.
Potassium dichromate. Okay. So we need to apply the rules. अच्छा मुझे बताओ कौन सा रूल हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? जो हमने 7 रूल्स लर्न किए थे. What are the rules? कौन सा रूल हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? What kind of molecule is this? Does this molecule carries any charge?
No.
No. So this is a neutral molecule. Okay, this is a neutral molecule. यानी मैं rule number 6 अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, which is based on
Yes.
neutral molecule. Then oxygen का भी मैं लगा सकती हूँ. Oxygen is which rule? Rule number 3. Okay, so 2 rules we can apply. So according to when it is asked, अभी जो question मैंने दिया assign oxidation number of each element पूछा तो आपको ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा. You need to write the rule and individually आपको find करना है. Okay, so according to rule number 6. Rule number 6. Okay, oxidation number of polyatomic नहीं, that is neutral. Sum of oxidation number of neutral molecule is equal to 0. Okay, and according to rule number, कौन सा rule था oxygen का? 3. Oxidation number of oxygen is what? -2. Okay, now we will apply. And potassium का क्या है? What is the oxidation number of potassium?
+1.
+1 because it is an alkali metal. Okay, so applying all those, chalo we will apply 2 into +1. Okay, 2 into +1 plus 2 into x. Chromium का तो मुझे नहीं पता है, so I'll consider that as x plus 7 into what is the oxidation state of oxygen? -2, which is equal to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to how much? 12 and x is equal to
6.
yeah, x is equal to 6. Okay, so here oxidation number of potassium is +1, chromium is equal to +6, and oxygen is equal to -2. This is how you will write. Okay, now जैसे यहाँ पे chromium है, okay, there is one rule, rule number 8 दिया है कि when 2 or more atoms of an element are present in a molecule or ion, okay, 2 or more atoms, so यहाँ पे we have 2 atoms, right? Then oxidation number of that element will be the average sum. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पे 2x is equal to 12. Okay, but individually if I wanted to for one chromium, then it is what 6. Okay, so that was rule number 8, but वो हम यहाँ पे apply नहीं कर सकते. Understood? So इसीलिए मैंने वो चीजें यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा जो basic main things are that we have written here. Rule number 6 and rule number 3. Understood this one? First question.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next compound, second one, SO4 2 minus. Come on, quickly tell me कौन से rules हम apply कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Which rules?
Polyatomic ion.
Polyatomic, that is rule number 7. Okay, that is rule number 7. So according to rule number 7, sum of oxidation number of a polyatomic ion, आपको पूरा statement लिखना है, no shortcuts anywhere. Okay, polyatomic ion will be equal to how much? Its charge. यहाँ पे charge क्या है? -2. Okay, then what else? और कौन सा? Oxygen वाला वापस. Am I right?
Rule number 3.
Oxygen का क्या है? Rule number 3. Okay, so according to rule number 3, oxidation number of oxygen is equal to -2. So apply, it will become what? 1 into x plus 4 into -2, which is equal to how much? -2. So x minus 8 is equal to -2. x कितना हो जाएगा?
1/4.
हाँ?
6. Sorry.
Will be +6. Okay, so sulfur in this case +6 and oxygen it is -2. Understood this type of questions how to solve? समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy down this. First question हो गया. Done with the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to solve for this. N2O5. N2O5 and fourth one CO3 2 minus. Okay, anybody with the answer for nitrogen? What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in third one?
+5.
5.
Nitrogen, yes, +5. And carbon?
+4.
Carbon, yeah, it is +4. Okay, now look at this question. Ca3PO4 twice. Okay, which rules we can apply? 6 and 3, right? Oxygen wala and neutral molecule. Okay, that both we can apply. So after writing that statement, what we'll write? 3. Even calcium ka. Calcium ka oxidation number kya hai?
+2.
+2. Calcium belongs to group 2. So oxidation state of calcium is +2. So 3 into +2 plus. Now tell me how to write. इसके आगे कैसे लिखेंगे हम? This 2 is common for phosphorus and oxygen. दोनों में वो 2 लगना चाहिए. So since यहाँ पे 1 phosphorus है, I will apply this here. 2 into X. Understood? This 2 is common for this also. Then, how many oxygen? How many oxygen?
8.
4.
8.
Yes.
8 into -2.
8 into -2, which is equal to 0. So 6 plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. 2x minus 10 is 0. 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to how much? +5. Okay. So calcium is +2. Phosphorus is +5 and oxygen is how much?
-2.
Okay, so this one. So understood? First type of question समझ में आया? Understood this type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, जहाँ पे हम rules को mention करेंगे and we will be solving. Okay, now complete this. We'll move on to the next type of questions.
हेलो मैम।
Yes. बोलो।
मैम कैल्शियम को +2 क्यों लिया?
कैल्शियम का
+2 क्यों लिया?
we wrote ना बच्चा group 1 will have general oxidation state as +1 end में मैंने आपको लिखा था ना and group 2 के elements होते हैं they will be having plus. Okay, so calcium comes in group 2 ना?
Yes मैम।
Okay, shall we proceed further? Everybody completed?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Done? चलो अभी क्वेश्चन लिखना assign oxidation number to the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen in following compound. ओके तो यहाँ पे हमें रूल नंबर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली वी कैन सॉल्व सी हियर. So we need to find oxidation state of elements other than hydrogen and oxygen in the following species. मतलब first one में I will be finding for Cl and second one में I will be finding for Br. Okay, so बताओ क्या होगा इधर? 1 into oxidation state of chlorine plus 4 into oxidation state of oxygen is equal to how much?
-2.
-1. यहाँ पे -1 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is -1. So here you will write -1. So 1 into x plus 4 into -2, which is equal to -1. X minus 8 is -1. So x is how much? X is how much? Bolo?
7.
+7. Therefore, chlorine it is +7. So highlight chlorine. Okay. Similarly here, 1 into oxidation state of bromine plus 3 into oxidation state of oxygen is equal to -1. X plus 3 into -2 is equal to -1. X minus 6 is -1. X is equal to how much?
5.
+5. Okay, so bromine it is +5. तो अभी वो रूल ध्यान में आ रहा है, मैंने आपको बोला था ना, हैलोजन जनरली हैलोजन विल शो -1 बट फ्लोरीन जो सभी कंपाउंड्स में -1 ही दिखाएगा, बट अदर हैलोजन कैन शो अदर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट एज वेल, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव सब दिखाएगा. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर कोई भी एलिमेंट, ओके, फिक्स्ड होता है, ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है कि किसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +9 +10 तक जाता है. हाईएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इन द एंटायर पीरियोडिक टेबल इज +8. ओके, दैट इज शोन बाय ओनली 2 एलिमेंट्स, दैट इज इरिडियम एंड ऑस्मियम. ओके, सो अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हो और आपको पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट बहुत हाई मिलते जा रहा है, देन यू माइट हैव गॉन समवेयर रॉन्ग. ओके, तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. मेटल्स का पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आता है, लेकिन वो +8 से ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा, और +8 दिखाने वाले सिर्फ 2 ही एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. तो कॉमन फ्रॉम +1 to +5 के बीच में कहीं पे भी होगा. +7 भी है, अपना Mn जो है +7 है. क्रोमियम +6 में रहता है. ओके, तो यू रिमेम्बर दिस कि +8 से ज्यादा किसी का नहीं होना चाहिए, और +8 भी सिर्फ 2 ही एलिमेंट्स दिखाते हैं. ओके, तो सॉल्व दिस. ये 2 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करो. 2 more I will give. Done. NH4 में N का क्या आ रहा है? नाइट्रोजन.
+5.
NH4 में नाइट्रोजन +5 कैसे आ रहा है? क्या लिया आपने? 1 into X. ओके, प्लस 4 into +1 लिया, -1 लिया?
-1.
-1.
-2 मैंने क्या बोला था? हाइड्रोजन अगर मेटल को बॉन्डेड है तो माइनस. यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन मेटल है, नॉन मेटल है?
Non-metal.
तो नॉन मेटल के केस में हाइड्रोजन विल बी +1. ओके, which is equal to +1. So X plus 4 is equal to +1. Therefore X is
-3.
-3. Okay, so hydrogen का be very careful. Okay, then NO3 minus में NO3 minus nitrogen is
+5.
+5.
okay, then SO3 2 minus
+4.
+4. So understood this kind of questions? समझ में आया? Yes या no तो बोलो, उससे पहले माइक बंद कर गए. Okay, next question लिखना. Identify whether the given reaction is a redox reaction. See question, Na plus S is giving you Na2S. Okay, so we need to identify whether the given reaction is redox or not. Okay, तो उसके लिए हमें oxidation number find करना है. Quickly, what will be the oxidation state here? Sodium का. Sodium is in free state ना? Sodium सिर्फ अकेला है, तो free state है. Free state में क्या होगा?
0.
0. Okay, here sulfur.
0.
0.
Okay. Now in this case sodium अभी ये combined form में है. Combined form में sodium का क्या होना चाहिए? Alkali metal ना?
+1.
Plus.
+1.
So we will have to find for sulfur. Sulfur का find करेंगे. 2 into +1 plus x is equal to 0. Understood ना? How this 2 sodium है. Okay. 2 into +1 plus x is 0. Therefore x will be how much?
-2.
Plus 2. So looking at the reaction, whether can you tell me whether it is redox or not? Redox है या नहीं? 0 to 1, 0 to +1 oxidation ना? Increase in oxidation number यानी oxidation, yes or no? And 0 to -2 reduction. बच्चों respond yes,
Yes.
or no? Okay, therefore since the reaction is undergoing oxidation as well as reduction, the given reaction is a redox reaction. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, copy down this. So have you all understood whatever we did today? Yes, बच्चों.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अच्छा, homework में just mark question. You can page number 92 textbook exercise में page number 92 में you can solve C. Okay, C and H. C and H you can solve. Okay, so that will be the homework. Okay, so I'll stop here today. We'll continue in the next class. Until then, bye bye.